Hello, all. Today I'm going to talk about concepts and introduction of MEL framework. MEL stands for monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning. It is very important or crucial tool for different organizations to track and measure their programs progress and impact. Let's see each. Monitoring is the ongoing process of data collection and analyzing of activities and output areas. It is merely designed for the purpose of understanding whether program implementations have deviations on plan of actions. Evaluation, on the other hand, is an in-depth assessment of programs, outcomes, and impact aimed at understanding or determining whether the implementations have impacts and sustainability. Accountability is the responsibility of organizations to understand whether their programs implementations are in an ethical, transparent, and participatory manner with involvement of their major stakeholders and the communities they serve. Finally, learning is the ongoing process of reflection and adaptation, which is again aimed at improvement of programs designing, implementation, and based on evidences and informations. By adapting the MEL framework, organizations can understand whether their programs implementations are evidence-based, whether the programs implementations are responsible to their community needs and accountable to their major stakeholders. For today, this is all what I have. Next, we will talk about another topic. Thank you.